Here we are having a feast. We've got lumpia,
Pork nilaga,
We've got
sauce,
which is
garlic pepper with onion vinegar,
yeah. Then we got some soy sauce,
with tomato, onion, and calamansi.
and then of course,
And the mango and the rice.
and some rice, and some mango for dessert. Another feast. Started my trip to Makati, 2 jeepneys and a nice comfortable air-conditioned bus. Here I am at the Alabang terminal, or going to the Alabang terminal, on my way to the PRA to pick up some documents that need to be signed at the Australian Embassy tomorrow morning. My final documents to get my retirement visa. The 2 jeepney trips cost 13 pesos, so 30 cents, and 32 pesos, 70 cents. So $1 all up. This just goes to show that Filipinos can sleep anywhere. They're fantastic sleepers. Very comfortable air-conditioned bus into Makati.
Sir, need motorcycle?
I'm good. Thank you. We are on a morning on the way to the Australian Embassy. You can see how big a city Makati is. Whoa. Just a quick view of the foyer at the Australian Embassy, which is in Makati. Having another feast. What have we got, Annie? We've got rice,
Corned beef with potato,
corned beef with potato,
lumpia,
lumpia,
and the sauce.
and tomato and
Soy sauce, your favorite sauce.
yum. This is the beautiful Southwoods golf course, which is in Cavite, about an hour south of Manila. It's got 36 holes, the Masters and Legends course. But I'll be swimming today at Southwoods Sports and Country Club, which is a lovely little place just as you enter the premises. This is Southwoods turtle. Now, little one. Having a bit of a dip. Nice to get a swim in today. It's only 15-20 minutes each way today, not 4.5 hours. Even though the other day was in the salt water in the ocean, it's still nice to get in the pool here at Southwoods. I've got onto a winner here now. Adults, no, just filming. Adults 600 for swim and dive. So that's paying 100 for the food, and you get this for the food: barbecued chicken with rice, spicy popper chops, crispy Bangus belly, or chicken a la king. I'll be all over that next time. 600 to swim and dine. A few running repairs on the side of the road for the truck. This Jeepney is battling up the hill and blowing some exhaust, that's for sure. Cruising through the marketplace, trying to buy some prawns for dinner. And then we've got all the food out the back here. This is all the clothing, backpacks. Okay. Chicken.
Sir!
Nice chicken. Chicken. Beautiful. It's good. How much?
230.
230 for one chook.
1 kilo.
Kilo.
For batches po, 50.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's not for Michael's food. It's nice.
50 na lang, 50.
Hey, dude, what's your name?
Victor.
Mr. Victor, the fish man. How much are these fish?
100 per kilo.
100 per kilo, Mr. Victor. You could be famous now.
Hey, mahina ako mag-English.
You could be famous now, Victor, on YouTube.
Dapat ba?
What do you want to say? What do you want to say to your fans?
Hindi ko pa maintindihan.
Annie picking out the prawns, which are $400 a kilo, so $8 to $10 a kilo. Hey, that's enough. Got his little bucket full of money there. So the scales there they have set at minus 0.17 of a kilogram to compensate for the weight of the bucket that they put the prawns in. Another happy Filipino working at the fish markets. Looks like he's relaxed and done for the day. Very good job. Fruit and veggies in the supermarket, all stacked very neatly and priced very well. It looks like 4 apples are about 50 pesos and 4 lemons are about 48 pesos, so about $1 each, which is pretty good value. Some of the benefits of turning 60, getting the senior citizens lane at the supermarket, but the guy in front of me looks like he's about 25. Oh, he's breaking the rules. We are going down to get some tomatoes down the back alley. This one? Okay, thank you. Here's the tomato shop down the back alley of GMA. Hello. Tomato? Tomato? Annie's whipped up a little treat here. It's chicken wings. What sort of?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. The fried chicken is absolutely beautiful. A little bit of rice, of course, and then some cucumber, tomato, onion, and pepper. But the actual chicken wings are the best I've ever tasted in my life.